Hello children, today we are going to discuss impact of unemployment. Okay children, in the previous video we discussed about the what is unemployment, different types of unemployment. Now we are going to discuss what are the impact of unemployment on the society, on a person. First of all, unemployment leads to wastage of manpower resources. Okay children, it leads to wastage of manpower resource. Wastage of manpower resource. Okay, people who are an asset for the nation, people who are an asset for the economy or nation turn into a liability. People turn into a liability. There is a feeling of hopelessness. Feeling of hopelessness among the youth. Okay, people do not have enough money to support their families. Okay, people do not have enough money to support their families. Okay, inability of educated people who are willing to work to find gainful employment implies a great social waste. It's a great social waste. People, those who are educated, they are unable to find job, then it's a great social waste. Unemployment also leads to increased economic overload. It also increase economic overload. The dependence of the unemployed on the working population increases. Clear? Number of dependent on working population increases. The quality of life of an individual as well as of society adversely affected. Quality of life. Quality of life is adversely affected. When a family has to live on a bare subsistence level, there is a general decline in its health status and rising withdrawal from the school system. Okay children, economically weak parents, they are unable to send their children or kids to school for education. Hence, unemployment has detrimental impact on the overall growth of an economy. Increase in unemployment is an indicator of depressed economy. Okay children, if the number of unemployed people, the person increases, it will indicate a depressed economy. It also wastes the resource which could have been gainfully employed. If people cannot be used as a resource, they naturally appear as a liability to the economy. Now children, in case of India, statistically The unemployment rate is low. It seems that India has a low unemployment rate. Why? A large number of people represented with low income and productivity, as they are engaged in different types of work and they are not counted as employed. They appear to work throughout the year, but in terms of their potential and income, it is not adequate for them. The work that they are pursuing seems forced upon them. They may therefore want other work of their choice. Poor people cannot afford to sit idle. They tend to engage in any activity irrespective of its earning potentials. Their earning keeps them on a bare subsistence level. So children, there are large number of people, those who are working in such type of job in which their earnings are too low. Okay? So this is how unemployment affects the life of a person or the economy of the country also. Thanks.